Before starting engine checklist, pre-flight inspection complete, passenger briefing, no passengers, seatbelt on, fuel selector valve, both, brakes test, and they are set, parking brake off, circuit breakers, we are all checked in, electrical bin is off, avionic master switch is off, fuel selector valve both again, fuel selector in, shut-off valve in. Alright, engine priming, master on, beacon on, throttle open 1/4 of an inch, fuel pump on, mixture rich, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fuel pump off. Clear!
Alright, check, check, check. Alright, we have good oil pressure. We are charging. Flaps up. Avionic master switch on. Clean that.
Flight service frequencies. State position on initial contact. Read back runway assignments and hold short instructions. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of Chino Airport. Advise on missile contact. You have ATIS information mic. Chino Airport information mic is 00530 Zulu. Wind 240 at 7. Visibility 10. Few clouds 20,000. Temperature 19er. 2.12. Altimeter 3002. ILS runway 26 right approach in use. Landing and departing runway 26 right and runway 26 left.
First movement, brakes test, they work.
Class Charlie request, contact Chino clearance delivery on 132.55 prior to contacting ground control. Notice to airmen, taxiway golf closed. Advisory to airmen, hazardous weather information for California and coastal waters is available on IWA, flight watch and flight service frequencies. State position on initial contact. Read back runway assignments and hold short instructions. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of Chino Airport. Advise on missile contact. You have ATIS information mic. Chino Airport information mic is 00530 Zulu. Wind 240 at 7. Visibility 10. Few clouds 20,000. Temperature 19er. 2.12. Altimeter 3002.
Chino ground, Cessna 172S EIA, request access to the active, we have information mic.
Number 52070 Chino ground, runway 26 right, taxi by Kilo Alpha, cross runway 21.
Taxi 26 right to Kilo Alpha, cross runway 21, Cessna 070. Run up, brakes set, seat belts are secure, seat belts are on, cabin doors are closed and latched. Flight controls are good. Elevator trim now set for takeoff. Flight instruments. Set. Radio set, fuel quantity checked. Mixture rich. throttle to 1800.
Chino Tower, Cherokee 7085 Romeo, inbound with Mike for landing.
Cherokee 7085 Romeo, Chino Tower, stay position.
Okay, that's checked.
85 Romeo, 7 miles west over the 60, approaching Chino Hills, 85 Romeo.
75 Romeo, make right traffic, runway 26 right, port down, Beaman Tower, wind 240 at 8 altimeter 3002.
Runway 26 right, downwind, report of Beaman Tower, 85 Romeo.
Chino Tower, Cessna 172S, holding short of 26 right, would like to request close traffic. Can you please 34070?
Cessna 52070, make left traffic, runway 26 left, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Left traffic, runway 26 left, take off runway 26 right, Cessna 070. You're coming in really broken right now. Alright, final clear.
070, is that any better?
That's very better, thank you, 070. Alright, mixture rich. Landing light on, strobes on, nav lights on, beacon on. ALT, mixture rich. Both. Heels on the floor. Full throttle. Good power. Good pressure. We have airspeed. Cessna 070 sequence.
070, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
The option 26 left, Cessna 070. Alright, runway clear, final clear. Flaps 30.
'85 Romeo, Beaman Tower.
85 Romeo, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Runway 26 right, clear to land, 85 Romeo.
Alright, for landing checklist, mixture rich. Both. Flaps down, we have speed. Flaps up, full power, good pressure. Flaps are up. Airspeed. 070, request early turn.
Cessna 070, early turnout's approved. Runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
Early turn approved, 26 left, clear for the option, Cessna 070, thank you. Flaps up, mixture rich, full throttle. Flaps are up, we have good power, we have good pressure. Cessna 070 terminating.
070, turn right there, cross runway 21 at Lima, runway 26 right at Kilo. Contact ground.
Cross runway 21 at Lima, cross runway 26 right at Kilo, cross contact ground. Good day, Cessna 070, thank you. Chino ground, Cessna 52070, holding short of 26 right at off of 26 right at Kilo, request taxi to AIA.
Cessna 52070, Chino ground, taxi via Kilo.
Taxi via Zulu, Kilo, Cessna 070.